Hey YouTube, what's going on? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update on XRP. Right now we're at 25 cents. We're down 1.89%. And guys, it's September 4th, 2019. It's 11:51 a.m. Eastern time. So I want to put that out there. And in terms of Eastern time, the close today, guys, if you're looking at the daily chart, is going to be at 8 p.m. Eastern time. So a lot of people ask me about that. And in terms of where I do all my trading, it's Trading View. And what we're going to look at today, guys, there's some important things that are going on for XRP here on the 1 week chart. And I really wanted to dig into it with you. First of all, we're going to cover an article. Then we're going to get into this XRP chart. And remember, we're going to be looking at it on the 1 week. So each candle is going to be representing 1 week of price action. So really keep that in the back of your mind as well. So this is for those who are longer term investors of XRP. You really want to start looking at the month chart and the weekly chart. It's really going to help you look at those accumulation zones. So we're going to dig into all that, guys. But first, I want to get into this article. And if you like me covering XRP, you want me to keep covering XRP, smash that like button, guys. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. Notification bell is going to help you out because I'm trying to put out videos basically every day in the cryptocurrency space. So you'll get that right away, guys. And also check out my playlist. I got a bunch of different tutorials in there for you, all for free if you just want to learn trading and really get into this stuff. So we'll dig into this. First of all, this article here, guys, this is by news.u today, and it's by Alex. I'm not going to try to pronounce that last name there. I don't want to butcher it, but it goes on to say Ripple included in this year's LinkedIn top U.S. startup list. So this is a big deal here. Ripple has been named one of the most fast-growing companies in the U.S. by LinkedIn. San Francisco-based behemoth Ripple has made it to LinkedIn's top startup list for the second year in a row. It was placed among 50 other companies from a bevy of industries such as data storage, fintech, and cannabis. So this is a broad range of different companies that are out there, guys. And for Ripple to be in this, that's a big deal. That's showing adoption. LinkedIn analyzed its data to determine which companies have turned out to be the most popular with job seekers. This year, it gave the crown to a data warehouse startup called Snowflake. Ripple, which is known for promoting cryptocurrency regulations in the U.S., ended up in 28th place out of that 50, guys. So that's a big deal. The company has recently hired Ron Hummon, the Washington insider who helped rep Warren Davison to pen the Token Taxonomy Act. Notably, Coinbase, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the U.S., was edged out by Ripple, occupying 29th place. So think about that, guys. The biggest exchange in the United States, Ripple outperformed that in terms of the placing of this top list here. So that's something that you really want to put in the back of your mind, because in this space, it's all still so speculative. We want to see things actually happening, guys. This is a big deal that adoption is taking place for Ripple. So that's something you do want to keep your eye on. Now we're going to go back to the Ripple chart on the 1 week here. And first of all, what I wanted to point out to you guys, so we hit this bottom here around this 25 cents all the way back September 3rd, 2018. We hit it again over here on May 6, 2019, and now we're sitting directly upon it again here at this 26 cent level. And what I'm looking at here, that's almost like a triple bottom, guys. And what you're seeing is a lot of accumulation along this area. So we had this massive price drop here, and you can see how we were having lower highs and lower lows, and now we're just kind of in that accumulation area. Now, if this area was to break, then I would be looking down around, guys, about 14, 15 cents right in this area here, where we would have some support. But right now, what you're seeing is that we're so oversold. Take a look at this stock RSI. We're at 0.41 and 0.14, and it's looking like we're potentially getting a bullish cross here coming in. And each time we've been down at this level, we started to have a little bit of a run up. You can see down here we're at the level, and we started running up. And even in that range, guys, we went from 43 cents all the way up to almost $1. So this is a really big thing if you can plan and you have the time and you have the means to be able to accumulate these. It may not change for the next month or two, but if you're able to buy around 25 cents, guys, think about the last time that we really broke out. We were at about 25, 26 cents. And these are weeks here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So in 1 month, we went from 25 cents all the way up. We wicked up to $3.34. So that definitely could happen again if the space starts to pick back up like it was. And like we said, we don't know when alt season is going to be, guys. It's going to happen again. Market cycles repeat themselves, and for the top coins, Ripple and Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin and all these different coins, Monero, they're going to have another market cycle. Some of the poop coins may never have another market cycle again. They could be dead, and that is what it is. That's what happens to some businesses. But Ripple is a multi-billion-dollar company right now, and they're doing doing big things in this space. So I wanted to put this on your radar here. And guys, what I wanted to show you, why we do want to be careful though in this area, and why you don't want to basically just go throwing all the money you have in at this area. You know, you'd slowly want a dollar cost average if you're looking for a longer term investment here. But our 10-week moving average is pressing down upon us. Our 20-week moving average is up above us, and this 50-week moving average. So what a lot of people will do, say they don't want to accumulate down here, they're too nervous that it could continuously get pressed to the downside. What they would be waiting for is a close back up above this 50-week moving average, which would be around 36 cents. And then once you start getting that close, then that may be an area where we can start looking for those higher highs and higher lows to be coming in. But you know, this is the last time, guys, we pumped was right around this level here, and that's something that I definitely want to keep my eye on. You know, Ripple at 25 cents, that's something, you know, that's a big deal. There's a lot of people buying Ripple up here at $1.87 and 50 cents and everything, and we're down at 25 cents now. And I'm not saying we can't go lower, but we're at this area where we've really been in this accumulation area, and this is where longer term investors would want to start putting some money in and dollar cost averaging in so that they can hold for the next massive spike whenever it does come in. And maybe, guys, the next market cycle isn't just going to go straight up like that, which we don't want it to go straight up, because anything that goes straight up is going to come straight back down, as we have seen here. And what you can see is that as soon as this bearish engulfing candle on the 1 week was put in, that was the time to get out. We closed, it would have been $1.85, and that's when you say, hey, I'm out of this, because that bearish engulfing candle on the 1 week on heavy volume right here, after having a very long wick and seeing rejection and spiking up this hard, that's the time you want to take your profits, guys. So I've learned a lot in this space, being here for 2.5 years, whatever it's been, and I want to pass that along the best that I can. But in terms of Ripple right now, this is not looking like a terrible area to start slowly accumulating, just slowly picking them up and then seeing where we're at in the next couple months, guys, because, you know, we could definitely even bounce back up to this area right in here, and that was around 46 to 50 cents, and that would be doubling your money if you were buying here at 25 cents. So if you don't believe Ripple's ever going to be over 50 cents, then I wouldn't suggest this to you. But if you feel as though Ripple's even going to make it back to that 50 cent mark, that could be a potential of doubling your money right there. And that's just what I really wanted to bring to you here, guys. So remember, this is on the 1 week chart. We're looking at this as long-term investing, and maybe an area that we would slowly want to start accumulating some coins here for the longer term or longer run there. So you guys let me know down low if you like these videos, you want me to keep smashing, or you want me to keep covering XRP, guys. Smash that like button, let me know down low, and I'll do the best that I can. Just put this on your radar. Remember, this is a longer term hold. This isn't something quick within the next couple days or so. This is the long term there, but we are potentially getting this nice stochastic cross down there, guys, and I want to point that out to you. So God bless and take care, my friends.